Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to take print from Microsoft Edge. So I want to print any kinds of thing from Microsoft Edge. So for this test I will go to the Microsoft Edge that I have been uh, pin in my taskbar. Click here, see here this is a page or any kinds of page. I want to print these things like here the CNN means not that journalist paper. This is the artificial intelligence algorithms which has CNN convolutional neural network. See this page I want to print. So go to the above the corner right side, say here the three dot icon. Click here, and this have the what we want to print. See here the print option, and if we can and if you want, so the control P as usual rules. So here the page that I want to print here. See the thing has been totally clearly has been revealed here. So when I print this, I can save here. I have pressed the save documents and I will give the name one. So again I am checking the thing has been printed or not. See one PDF that has been revealed to the PDF version. So I will open this. Error things, why it has been error. Hopefully again I will do the thing. So where print, see the Microsoft print to PDF. I will print this thing. I will write CNN. Save. Oh, it has taken some times. That's why it is coming. This is the thing. Oh, I will close the thing. Then again, there was an error opening this document. The file is already open or used by another application. So what is the problem? Why it has been working? Hopefully it is coming. Again I will do this thing. Print. Black and white. So before that it will say first, then it has been print. We see where it has been working. Is this where the time being? So I will do the another thing. This page, it will come or not, or it has some problem. Hopefully my laptop has problem. Basically no, that is not the problem. I'm checking again. So again I'm doing is the download history? No. This is the print. No. Oh, I have forgotten. First of all, I have to save as PDF. See, now it will save. Here the download and save. See, now the thing has been here. Now again I will do the thing. Here this option. Before I am not checking this thing. So as it is, I'm not working with the directly printer machine. That's why I will do the save as PDF. Save. See, document downloads. Now it will come. See, sorry, I'm really sorry. Actually this is not a thing. Actually it's the practice, or it has been a learning thing. So sometimes we have error something other things. So in this way we can do this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.